Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have Word open and you want to skip signing in. Start by launching the app from Start or your desktop. When the sign-in screen appears, click the Small Not Now or Use Word option. This lets you work in the app with limited features. Once done, choose New or Open and save your file to a local folder or a synced OneDrive folder so files remain accessible without repeated sign-in prompts. Now, continue by focusing on saving and features. Save documents to a local folder like Documents or Desktop so Word does not require CloudAuth. Make sure Auto Save is off if you prefer manual control. Press Ctrl+S regularly to store changes. If you need templates, fonts, or proofing tools, install them beforehand in settings so Word can use them offline. Once configured, you'll have a reliable offline workflow without signing into a Microsoft account. To finish, save and export your final document as DocX or PDF and close Word that preserves edits locally. If you encounter disabled features, understand why. Some advanced tools need an activated account or license. You can either sign in once or enter your product key to restore full functionality. If Word fails to start or behaves oddly, run Office Repair from Settings Apps Modify, restart your PC, and make sure your Windows updates and Office install are current.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.